afternoon, we're going to be throwing together a rub for a Boston butt that we're going to put on the grill and let it cook all day. So this is a super simple, easy recipe, and you just apply it 2 hours before putting the butt directly onto the grill. We're going to do 4 tablespoons each of garlic, of onion. I don't know if you can see this, but it is beautiful. Also 4 tablespoons of salt and 4 tablespoons of paprika. Then we'll add 3 tablespoons of pepper, 1 tablespoon of cumin, and 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper. I'm trying to be a little careful with this one. And then just as a little extra magic touch, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of some of my fresh dried oregano. Check that out. Just mix that all together. A little magical spoon as well. And there you have it. A beautiful rub to apply to your Boston butt. I'm just going to apply this generously all over the Boston butt here. Making sure to flip over to the other side. And don't forget the sides as well. Just make sure we get these sides coated really good. And there you have it. We're gonna let this sit for about 2 hours, and then we're gonna slap this baby on the grill and have this for dinner tonight. So just in case any of you are asking, it's about 8 a.m. on Saturday, April the 30th. This is new moon, a solar eclipse, and Beltane Eve. So sending blessings to each of you.